Have you ever imagined anything good coming out of an earthworm? Earthworm is a tube-shaped segmented worm in the phylum Annelida, commonly found living in the soil, feeding on leaf and organic matter. Its digestive system runs through the length of its body.
If you look at the products we have from the worms, we are looking at the market for chicken, because you are feeding chicken. You are looking at the market for organic produce, because you are selling for organic produce. You are looking at the market for compost, because you can sell compost. We should sell a lot of vermiliquid.
Earthworms are hermaphrodites. Each earthworm contains both sexes. They double their number every month. There are three main types of earthworms: the compost worm, earthworker, and the root-dwelling worm. Among these three worms, the compost worm is the only worm that consists of other four species. That is the Eisenia fetida tiger worm, Dendroboena veneta, also known as dendras, Eisenia andrei, the red tiger, and lastly Lubricus rebellus, the red worm or the red wiggler. Vermiculture is the cultivation of earthworms, especially for use in composing and production of organic fertilizers. Lubricus rebellus, the red wiggler, is the type of worm used in this kind of farming. This is a rare kind of farming. Space farm technology is one kind of farm that deals with this kind of cultivation. One does not require much to start this kind of farming. It can be done in small, medium, and on large scale. When doing small-scale farming, all one requires is a drum split into two. Worms used are from 5 to 7 kilograms, manure and dry leaves. Medium-scale farming will require at least 30 kilograms of worms, a bed of 3 by 10 feet. It should be raised from the ground and oiled from the base. At the bottom of the bed, plastic sheet is used. Holes are then made and worms placed in them, after which it is then covered by organic plant. Lastly, a farmer can decide to venture into large-scale farming. This will require a bed made of concrete, which is 4 or 5 by 20 feet, with at least 50 kilograms of worms. One would wonder how these worms survive. They are fed once after every 2 weeks on manure from pigs, cow, and chicken. These beds are watered daily since worms can survive on dry bed. By keeping these worms, you harvest compost, the worms, and vermiliquid foliar. Compost is harvested after every 2 months. Before harvesting, the worms are not fed for a month. Foliar or vermiliquid is harvested by watering the bed. This water drains down the bed on the translucent plastic sheet. Then it flows to the gutter and flows to the bucket. The collected water is then poured back to the bed and collected again. This is done so as to make it concentrated. Vermiliquid is used in side dressing in the farm for crops like cabbage, tomatoes, spinach, etc.
The roots develop faster. The liquid is absorbed directly by the plants.
It also reduces insect, pest, and plant diseases in the farm. Vermiliquid can also be used to grow hydroponics crops. These are crops grown on soilless grounds mainly as chicken feed. If a farmer wants to know whether the vermiliquid is still of quality, the liquid should be taken to carry for analysis every 3 months. As a country, we spend quite a lot on importing fertilizers. A solution has been found. Farmers should embrace this kind of farming that is all-rounded and produce quality products that are disease-free, rather than using inorganic farming that is quite expensive and products are some of the causes of the diseases we suffer from.